Alright, so maybe you have a shit setup, but you want to make it look 10 times better in less than 10 minutes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that in only 5 steps. Let's get to it. Alright, so for step number 1, you're going to want to clean. Now, I know you probably didn't want to hear this, but it's as simple as that. Just clean up some, water bottles, probably some dishes or something you have behind your monitor. If you really want to, you can wipe it down, but I just did that, I think, last week, so I'm not going to be doing that. So yeah, just step 1, clean up all the unnecessary stuff, and it should start looking a little bit better. I don't have a chair. I can't sit in my chair right now, so I'm basically just gonna stand up for just for a while. I'm guessing the majority of you have these $5 Amazon strip lights. Mine were actually $35. These are the best strip lights I've ever had. Also, if you have a light up mouse pad, you can also play with that too for lighting, or even a keyboard. Some of you might not have that, so this is just optional. Also, the RGB in your PC, very important for aesthetics. You're also not going to want to overdo RGB. You want to stick to a theme, like warm, cold, just stuff like that. 1 or 2 colors max, because if you have some whack ass colors like yellow, purple, blue, red, it's not going to be as pleasing to the eye as if you just have 1 or 2 primary colors. Alright, so this next step kind of goes along with lighting. It's a live wallpaper. This isn't really hard to get. So the application I'm using is called Lively Wallpaper. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. Sort of play around with the color settings. So this is the one that I picked. It goes well with the color scheme. This is kind of it for lighting. It's sort of just like a sunset. And yeah, it's really pretty. Now for your 4th step in optimizing your desk or setup is cable management. Don't sleep on this cable management stuff because it can get very nasty, like a freaking rat's nest. You definitely want to have nice clean cables that you don't want to see, because that just gives me anxiety. Ugh. Yeah, look at that. That's not what you want. Manage your cables the best you can. You can use zip ties or rubber bands or whatever you need. Now on to our 5th step, decor. Don't go too far with decor. You don't want a plain desk, but you don't want too much on your desk. It should make sense, is basically what I'm saying. Also, like something like this globe, I'm not really gonna need on my desk. It's pretty cool. So there you have it. There are your 5 steps in optimizing your setup in under 10 minutes. You like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who has a shitty setup. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.